I guess we're not going to complain about our weather here then, Llarisa. I guess we got off a little easy with just the rain and the wind and the hail yesterday.
Absolutely. I mean, when you compare to what's going on across the globe, it's a piece of cake here. Right now, though, we are looking at quiet conditions across the region. Clouds have built in, as we mentioned earlier today, and that's pretty much the trend here through the next several hours. Now, by the afternoon, and I'm talking about the hours between 3, 4, possibly 5 p.m., we'll begin to see some of these thunderstorms develop. We did have some showers 2 hours south, but as you can see, those have cleared. We also have a couple of thunderstorms bubbling up right now across portions of Delaware. So once again, this is just something that we're going to continue to see, isolated thunderstorms, individual cells here as we move forward into the afternoon. As far as our dew point temperatures are concerned, we certainly have that in place. It is very steamy out there, although it is not as hot as it was just yesterday. These are our feels like temperature, and right now when you factor in the humidity, it feels like it's 85 degrees right now in Philadelphia. Remember, yesterday it felt like we were in the 90s and even upwards of 97 degrees in some spots at this time yesterday. So certainly on the muggier side of things, but the high heat is certainly not in place. This is a great tool that we like to use. This is basically, it measures the instability in the atmosphere, and this is what we call CAPE. Now, CAPE will peak here between the hours of 3 and 4 p.m. Notice where you see those brighter colors, so down through Delaware and then back into central portions of Pennsylvania. If I had to pick a place, that's where I'd say we'll see some heavy thunderstorms later today. The potential for stronger storms still there, but that severe weather threat at this moment does remain low. It peaks again, though, as we head towards Wednesday afternoon, so we'll be watching closely here into the day on Wednesday. Now let's go ahead and time this all out for you. Future weather 3:30 showing us, as I mentioned, those storms really firing up 2 hours south. So we are talking about southern portions of Delaware into central Delaware as well, just south of Dover, maybe even Dover getting in on some of those heavier downpours. Now, one thing we will be watching with any storm that does develop is a thing that we call training. These thunderstorms really slow to get moving, and so you'll see those storms just center over a location, stay stagnant, and that is why the threat for flooding is likely as we continue towards the afternoon. Now, by Wednesday, a little bit more numerous as far as our thunderstorm coverage is concerned. Something to keep in mind here as we continue to plan our days. Our precipitation chances jump here for Wednesday. They go back down on Thursday, and then they jump once again as we head towards Friday. This is why we're watching a disturbance right now that has tropical characteristics, and as it continues to move right along the coast here, it's going to be, well, we're going to be tapping into some of that moisture, and we can see some heavy rain as we head towards Friday morning, and that can linger into the day on Saturday. Let's take a look now at your 7-day forecast. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the way so I can explain for you. We'll see showers and isolated thunderstorms today with temperatures not as hot as what we thought because of that cloud cover that has built early on. By Wednesday, a better chance to see thunderstorms, a little bit more numerous with steamy conditions out there and highs climbing to 90. We're in the 90s for Thursday. Thursday, the one dry day in the forecast. And then we're looking at those downpours as we head towards Friday, Janelle.
Hot, hot, hot. Certainly feels like July, Llarisa. Great. Thanks so much.